So here, this is my website. People ask me one question. So I have the one website is there. My entire website not crawling by the search engine. My entire website stop crawling to search engine. What I can do? A simple option is called. We can select option call is robos.txt. The key of your website. Here simply we can do for remove for allow, click for disallow. Disallow means D is a capital, remain all will be small. When you click for disallow, your total along with sitemap, they block the URL on the where search engine. So if you are block the URL, you can block the total website. The total belongs to for your sitemap. Total website belongs to for sitemap. If you stop the particular URL is called disallow, to mention the particular URL extension. So this is a very powerful for the search engine not crawling your website. That is called allow or disallow. Please write the code. Total website stop crawling on your search engine.